Hello, today we'll be showing you how to fill a combination boiler using a traditional style filling loop. Here we have the boiler we're going to be working on. It's a condensing combination boiler located in a kitchen. First of all, you'll need to locate the pressure gauge on your boiler. In this case, the boiler has an analog type gauge. It's a type of gauge found on most boilers in one form or another, although some newer boilers do have a digital gauge. If you're unsure, refer to your instruction manual. Next, we'll need to locate the filling system. As mentioned, this boiler has an old style or traditional filling loop. Very often these are located just underneath the boiler, sometimes panelled in if it's in a kitchen. Now we'll zoom in on the filling loop. What you're looking at is the silver assembly with a U-shaped braided hose. If you look closer, you'll see there are valves at either end with black handles on them. Not every filling loop is the same. In this case there are two valves. Some only have one and some have a valve you put a screwdriver in. The valves turn within a quarter turn as shown. You move it straight in line with the pipe to fill it, and you move it across the pipe to close it. Follow this procedure until the boiler pressure gauge is at the correct level. Correct level is usually about 1 bar when cold. You want it to be about 1.5 to 1.8 bars when hot. As you can see from the gauge, it's risen slightly. It's now at the optimal pressure. Thanks for watching, and come back and have a look at some of our other videos.